Guys, good afternoon. Welcome to the futures video for tonight, Simpler Futures. And this will be for tomorrow's trade, Tuesday, the 23rd of August. I will be so happy to get August behind us and in the rear view, I tell you. It has been a difficult month of trading, and the indices, especially the stock indices. There have been a couple of movers, and one of which has been this crude oil. We've seen since the 1st of August, as you can see down here, near this $40 level. We talked about this in the trade room too, and looking for a bounce from approximately this level. Now, it did trade through the level that we had for it, because we at the time were in a September contract and we were looking for a $40 bounce. I think it went to like 39.5 or something like that, whatever, but it was close. And it's here's the thing, the reason for the video tonight, and kind of highlighting or showcasing or whatever this crude oil treatment was. Sat down from what, $53 down into approximately $40, and in a very short period of time have made the 618 retracement. We've done a couple videos on this, and we talked about this honestly in the trade room on Friday about how this made sense, that this was getting to be a bit long in the tooth, and how I would look for a retracement, because even if you're looking at the news, and the news is the producing members are to meet soon, OPEC's meeting, looking for some consensus on a production either cap or freeze, etc. And that helped to kind of spur this price action, this upward price momentum along the way. But the conversation that we had most recently was, look, that's priced in, that's done. Okay, everybody in the world knows that now. That's well known. And the fact is, we've come a long way in a short period of time back into a major fib retracement level of a 618. And wouldn't it make sense to tighten up some stops and let this thing, pull back a little bit? Well, that's what started to happen today. The news was out evidently over the weekend. Who'd have known? I did not know. Nobody knew, but there was some news to come, and it did come over the weekend. The news is that there, foresee some issues in there being consensus on this talk of production capping and freezing, etc. Because you got to get a lot of people to agree, a lot of producing members and nations to agree, and that's not going to be such an easy thing to do, especially when you got Saudis are producing right now at record levels, 10.5 million barrels a day, and Iran's just back to pre-sanction levels at 2 million. So then you're going to ask them to slow down. I don't know. Good luck with that. At the end of the day, crude's pulling back. So what I did was I pulled a fib from the low down here, the low, and to the recent high up here around $49, and came up with about a $46.49 level for the, or just call it 46.5 basically, for the 382 retrace. And then I pulled another fib from right in here on this low, and we came up with a little bit deeper at around 45.5 for the 382. Okay, so basically just take the middle of the two, and let's call, and I've drawn the level here for you in this yellow line so it's easy to see, approximately $46. We're going to call this $46 level the initial target on this pullback, and that is the 382 retrace, a happy medium between the two. And I've just explained what I did. Pulled the first one from the dead low, and then the next one from this recent pivot low, and coming up with a happy medium between the two right there at $46 as a 382 retrace. Okay, so that's what I've got for tonight for the free video. I'm going to hop over to the premium video because we've had some significant movement in our treasuries, which we were looking for, and we've gotten no movement in gold, and I was looking for a little bit, did not get any in gold. And we've had some other changes in some of the currencies, the euro and the yen and that kind of thing. So I'm I'm gonna leave you with this for the free video for tonight, and I look forward to being back with you again on tomorrow night. This is Neil, and sitting in for the futures video for tonight. Be back with you soon. Good trading until then. Take care.